Hello friends, I am Sadhvi. Welcome to third lecture of C tutorial. Every language has some basic elements and grammatical rules. Before understanding programming, it is must to know the basic elements of C language. These basic elements are character set, variables, data types, constants, keywords, variable declaration, expressions, statements, etc. The first is C character set. All alphabets from A to Z, either in small or capital case, come in this category. Digits from 0 to 9 with special characters like plus, minus, asterisk, hash, ampersand, parenthesis are called C character set. The second is execution characters or escape sequences. Characters are printed on the screen through the keyboard, but some characters such as new line, tab, backspace cannot be printed like other normal characters. C supports the combination of backslash and some characters from the C character set to print these characters. These character combinations are known as escape sequences and are represented by the two characters. The first character is backslash and second character is from C character set. For example, backslash B is used for moving the cursor to the previous position of the current line. Backslash R is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the current line. The third is trigraph characters. There is a possibility that the keyboard does not print some characters. C supports the facility of trigraph sequence to print these characters. These trigraph sequences have three characters. First two are double question mark and third character is any character from C character set. The fourth is delimiters. Delimiters are used for syntactic meaning in C. Like colon is used for label, semicolon is used for ending the statement, parenthesis is used for the expression. In the same way, hash and comma are used for preprocessor directives and variable delimiter as well. The next is reserved words or keywords. There are certain words that are reserved for doing specific tasks. These words are known as keywords and they have standard predefined meaning in C. They are case sensitive and always written in lowercase. There are only 32 keywords available in C, which you can see on your screen. Data types. C supports different data types. Storage representation of these data types is different in memory. There are 4 fundamental data types in C. Char is used to store any single character. Int is used to store integer value. Float is used for storing single precision floating point value. And the double is used for storing double precision floating point number. The next is constants. Constant is a value that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Like 22/7, the value of pi cannot be changed in maths because it's a constant. In the same way, in C programming, the value of constant cannot be changed. Constant is further divided in 3 categories: numeric constant, character constant, and string constant. Numeric constant is further divided in integer constant and real constant. And integer constant is further divided in decimal, octal, and hexadecimal constant. The next is variables. Variable is a name that can be used to store values. Variables can take different values but one at a time. These values can be changed during execution of the program. A data type is associated with each variable. A data type of the variable decides what value it can take. The rules for naming variable are same as that for the naming identifiers. It is must to declare a variable before it is used in the program. Declaration of a variable specifies its name and data type. The type and range of values that a variable can store depends upon its data type. The syntax of the declaration you can see on your screen. That's all for today. I will be back with my next video on input output in C.